How to add credit card to your Uber Eats account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to add credit card to your Uber Eats account. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Uber Eats application on your device and make sure you are signed in. And now to add a credit card on your Uber Eats account. Tap on the account option on the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the wallet option you see there in your profile settings page. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see the type of payment methods you can add on Uber Eats. You can add a gift card, PayPal account, or your credit or debit card. Select the debit or credit card option and further enter the required details. You will be asked to enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, and country. Tap on the Save button once you are done making the necessary changes, and with this, your credit card will be added to your Uber Eats account. So, this is how you can add credit card to your Uber Eats account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.